Subscribe for more delicious recipes and don't forget to like and share.
Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you the recipe of onion tomato rasam. First we turn on the gas and place the cooker on it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up properly. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Now I will tell you what all needs to be added to the rasam. Take 20 pieces of garlic, 2 onions and 2 chopped tomatoes. First we will add the garlic. Fry the garlic until it turns golden brown. Mix a little until it turns golden. Then add asafoetida. Cook the asafoetida well along with the garlic. In the same way you need to cook the garlic well. After that we will add the chopped onions to it. Keep the flame on medium and stir the onions. Stir for 2 minutes. After the onions soften a little, we will add the tomatoes. Cook on low flame for 3 minutes as shown in the video. Now we will see which spices need to be added. First take 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder gives a nice color. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt according to taste. We need to add all the spices. Add all the spices and mix them well. You can also add sambar masala to it for an even better taste. Add 2 cups of water and cook on medium flame until 5 whistles. Now we will prepare the tamarind plum. So first take 1 cup of water and heat it well. Take a tamarind according to how sour you like it and wash it well. At this point the rasam is cooking well and the water is also heated to make the tamarind pulp. To make the pulp instantly add the hot water to the tamarind. To make a good pulp we need to mix it well. The pulp is now well prepared, so we'll strain it. Straining is very important. The rasam is now cooked and all the water has dried up. After it cools down a little, we will grind it a mixer. The rasam has been blended well. Put the rasam back on the gas on a low flame and add the tamarind pulp that we prepared earlier. After cooking for 2 minutes, the rasam is ready. Now I will show you how to serve it. Keep the rasam consistency medium. Now it's time to serve. Rasam tastes really good when eaten with rice.